23 Bowman draft Sapphire 2 boxes. 5 times in the dice. Let's mix up those teams 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, cinco, seis. Bum, bum, bum. Yes, yo, DeMarco, you're killing it, bro. You're killing it. With the, what's going on here with this bald? You're absolutely killing it, Mr. DeMarco. The Bowman Draft Sapphire is, I don't like saying inappropriate things, but tonight, the Bowman Draft Sapphire has been your blank. You have made it your blank. I'll just say, I'll leave it like that. You've absolutely crushed every Bowman Draft Sapphire break we've had. The pick your teams you've hit, and the random teams you've hit. You are just crushing Bowman Draft Sapphire tonight. Tonight is your night, my friend. And on that note, let's grab 2 boxes. We only have 6 left, and after this break, it'll be 4. I'll pull that one, and I'll pull that little guy. What about that little guy? Well, I wouldn't worry about that little guy. Damn it, rabbit. Back in my day, we used blanks. I mean, we've been hitting Wyatt base. He's been coming out also. There's a Wyatt base behind that Wyatt auto up top as well, so. Oh, stop it. No need. That's not a regret, Jeffrey. It's the thought that counts. It's the thought that counts. The Karam Mojo is in, Karam Karma, excuse me, is in full effect. It's on display. Doing its thing. Jersey Shore. Ranges. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, wow. Well, how about that? Okay. Okay. Look at that horse. The big bushy tail. The teeth. Okay, so my producer Terrence Cade is telling me that's not a horse, but it's a butterfly. Huh. It may actually be a moth. But look at the detail. Who remembers all that, huh? Who remembers that infomercial thing? The Schneider lens. The zoom. Max Clark base. In orange James Wood for Nico. And then we're going to see a blue auto of Winnie the Pooh, the Honeyman. Oh, wow. DJ and Tino. I quasi-talked him into this break. Travis Honeyman. DJ's got no sound. That's going to you, sir. To $199. It's Winnie the Pooh. Enrique Bradfield Jr. on the base. Rhett Lauder base. Gabe Gonzo for the Mariners. Fox Co. That's the 75 on the yellow. Ty Pete on the base. Hauk for the Mets on the base. Mac Horvath. And then we have a gold here of Jonah Cox. In a weird way, I'm like happy it's not autographed because he's that guy, right, Sizzle? Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy, Jonah. He signs his auto in the bottom left corner. Somebody, if anybody ever sees, the next time somebody sees Jonah at the plate when they're at the game, if they have really good seats, they got to shout at him and tell him, Jonah, sign in the middle of the card. Don't be that guy. Yeah, if any of you live in Sacramento, you'll have that opportunity. If not, then I'll have to do it myself. He got traded? He's not on the A's anymore? I was going to say I'll do it myself. Okay, we got a second box here. I'm going to put that part down. And then let's pick this part up. Trey Morgan, Zonatello, a gold of Mejia for the Cardinals. DJ, that's to 50, gets the Mejia. Shaw on the base, Vanderpump Rules, a.k.a. Vradenberg on the base. Jake Gonzo and Wilson, the Jacobs. Luke Keschel. Kevin Sim, he's got some pop for Boat Danny to 75. And there's Brown and Levi. Let me sleeve these pieces up. And then we'll show our second autograph of the two boxer here. I call him Winnie the Pooh. Oh yeah, no. Wait, I mean, yeah. This product has been amazing. I've said this like 80 times tonight, but it's true. We're gonna be really sad when this is gone. We only have 4 boxes left of it. I'm not like trying to get you guys to buy the last 4 boxes. Obviously they're gonna go. I'm just being honest. We're gonna be sad when this is all gone. Because Update Sapphire was incredible. And now Bowman Draft Sapphire, before Update Sapphire, Bowman Draft Sapphire was incredible. We're out of both after this. It's the end. It's the end of the world as we know it. Tayshaun on the base for the Phillies. And then Baby Cheerio, not Honey Nut. Baby Cheerio, Jason. High Zone. Guards, Sizzle, 75, Yella. And then we get Mr. Walton on the base there for the Phillies. Also for Sizzle. And then we have another autograph. And it's a redemption. And DJ doesn't have his sound on. But it means that it's Max Clark. Because he's the only guy with a redemption in the damn product. Sweat it from the bottom. That's good. You're sharp, D. Sweat it from the bottom. All right, good luck. Good luck on potential color, and either way it's a win, but... It is a base, but we take it. Beggars can't be choosers. Hero Wyatt was not good at his job. We can be heroes. Hero Wyatt, you were not good at your job. No, they're all variations. They're all variations. It's all the variations. They all say variations. DJ and Tino gets the Clark to 199. They all say variation, but that's awesome. So DJ gets a clean sweep. Yes, Wyatt and Clark and a Papa always. I think that was in the same break as the Wyatt. Yeah, exactly, always. Should be a lot of colored ink. Exactly, that's what I was saying. It's going to be like an orange or something Sapphire Selection Auto, maybe. Some yellows here. Mejia on the gold. Jonah Cox on the gold. James Wood orange. Honeyman to 199 with ink. And Max Clark for DJ and Tino to 199 with ink. I believe they're also to 199. That was 2 boxes of the random team, number 63, Bowman Draft Sapphire. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Congrats. A clean sweep of the ink for DJ and Tino. 4 boxes left of the case, and then we're out of this product. Thank you again.